Rooting means modifying the operating system to achieve full control and access to the root directory, allowing access to parts of the operating system that are normally hidden by the manufacturer. Rootier allows to execute a more powerful software and to optimize the operation of the equipment. This means that you can overcome all the limitations that the manufacturer puts on the device, extends its functionality, and even update to another version of Android. The term root comes from the Linux world, where users with more system privileges are called root. The main reason to root a device is the freedom and control it provides, improves performance and accelerates its functionality. Another benefit of rooting the system is that you can save a backup on an SD card. It also saves space. In the same way, it allows to install a personalized way and adapt it to its way of use. You can also optimize the battery life, accessing applications and files that control energy expenditure, having limits and controls of it. This process is not free of risks. The most notable is that the warranty of the device is eliminated. However, this has an easy solution, since we can reinstall the software of the manufacturer and leave the device as it came from the factory, reversing the rooting and resetting the initial values. It is something that is recommended before you start rooting a mobile phone, as well as making a backup copy of all the files. That is why it is important that it is done by an expert or advanced user, because if something goes wrong, it can damage the device and may put security at risk, since it could be vulnerable to data theft or exposed to destructive malware. Prepare your cell phone to root it. You can use applications according to your operating system, make a backup and make sure it is fully charged. The root can open the doors to many interesting things, such as installing applications only for root or installing another operating system. But if you do not have those concerns for modifying your system, you can put your security at risk and not worth it.